I have always enjoyed making handmade, personalized gifts. I don't know why. It's so much fun to buy something for someone when you find just the perfect present, but making it by hand makes it feel special almost every time. I'm the type of person who used to start in September on Christmas gifts that wouldn't be given away till December. Now I don't really have the luxury of that sort of time anymore, but I still do like to plan ahead. Lately, I've been brainstorming big batches of gifts I can make for people for this next Christmas. However, sometimes it's nice to just focus on one individual gift for a special person. There is nothing wrong with a store-bought gift, and sometimes that's the biggest blessing you can give someone. But to be honest, my creativity with store-bought gifts is very limited. I prefer to make my own. I've been through many different gift phases. For a while, all I made was dishcloths. I had to make over 100. Then, I think it was food. It comes and goes, but it's so much fun to think of new ways to make people smile. One of the best things about a handmade gift is that you can pray for someone while you're making it, especially if it's for one particular person. I don't often get to make gifts for just one person anymore. Time is limited as you become an adult. But when I do, I like to take my time and enjoy it as much as I can. Embroidery has been my top choice as far as making gifts are concerned lately. It's giving me a chance to take some time and test my skills and hopefully grow them further. And there are so many different things you can do with it. Embroidery is like painting, except even better, because you can add layers of textures. Some people are even talented enough to do 3D embroidering, which I someday hope to learn, but not right now. A handmade gift can say so many different things, but my particular favorite is when you've watched someone enough, when you've been close to someone for long enough that you know what would bless them. A gift like that tells them that you care and you've noticed what would be helpful to them. Some gifts are useful, some are just aesthetically pleasing. You have to know who you're giving the gift to know what would bless them. To be honest, I don't really know the person I'm giving this gift to, but as she's a young bride like myself, I can just assume that she would enjoy seeing something handmade in her kitchen or bathroom, wherever she chooses to hang it, that would hopefully make her smile when she looks at it. Giving gifts is about the heart behind it, not necessarily about how big, expensive, or painstaking the work was to create them. I have to keep reminding myself of this whenever I start to feel guilty, because honestly, it can become a thing of pride if I put too much time and effort into my gifts. That's just for me personally. I try to keep my mindset on this. I want them to think of Jesus and feel loved when they look at whatever I've given them. I don't want them to necessarily think of me. That's not an easy mindset to keep in mind, but it's a healthy one, and I'm going to keep working towards it. The Bible tells us to not let our left hand know what our right hand is doing. So whenever we draw attention to ourselves or try to glorify ourselves, it's literally defeating the purpose of the gift. Truly loving someone is a selfless act, so trying to draw attention to ourselves in the process is squashing that love. I'm preaching to the choir here, so don't take it personally. At the end of the day, it does bring me a lot of joy just to make the gift and to pray for whoever it is going to be given to. I can't wait to solidify my plans for Christmas presents and begin the process of making them. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a blessed day.